Have you ever wondered how certain creatures light up the darkest corners of our world? A captivating phenomenon, bioluminescence is nature's very own light show. This fascinating spectacle results from a chemical reaction within certain living organisms that enables them to produce and emit light. From the depths of the ocean to the forest floor, this natural phenomenon is exhibited by a wide range of creatures. Imagine jellyfish, lighting up the inky abyss of the deep sea, or fireflies, flickering like tiny lanterns against the velvet backdrop of a summer's night. These are just a few examples of the creatures that hold the secret to this glowing mystery. Bioluminescence can be found in the most unexpected places, from the deepest trenches of the ocean to the densest parts of the jungle. This natural light show isn't just beautiful, it's a testament to the wonder and complexity of life on our planet. Now let's dive into the science behind this natural light show. To understand bioluminescence, we need to delve into the world of chemical reactions. Bioluminescence is a fascinating occurrence, a natural phenomenon where light is produced by a series of chemical reactions within an organism. But what exactly happens during these reactions? Let's break it down. At the heart of this captivating display are three key components: luciferin, luciferase, and ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. Luciferin is the light-emitting compound, the star of the show, so to speak. It's the substance that actually produces the glow we associate with bioluminescence. Then we have luciferase, an enzyme that acts as a catalyst, a facilitator. It speeds up the reaction between luciferin and ATP. Think of it as the director, cueing the actors on stage and ensuring everything runs smoothly and quickly. Lastly, there's ATP, the energy currency of the cell. It provides the energy needed for the reaction to happen. It's like the fuel that powers this radiant spectacle. So how does the reaction work? Well, when luciferin reacts with ATP in the presence of luciferase, it gets excited and moves to a higher energy state. It then quickly returns to its normal state, and in doing so it releases energy in the form of light. This is the glow we see in fireflies, deep-sea creatures, and other bioluminescent organisms. And what about the colors? The color of the light produced can vary, and it's determined by the structure of the luciferin molecule and the conditions of the reaction. Typically, the light emitted is in the blue-green spectrum, which travels best through water and is most visible to many marine animals. However, some organisms can produce different colors, like the yellow-green light of fireflies, or the red light of certain deep-sea fish. So that's the magic formula: luciferin, luciferase, and ATP. But what about the purpose? There's more to this light show than meets the eye. Bioluminescence, the art of producing light, is more than just nature's version of a flashy billboard. It's a complex, dynamic, and incredibly vital tool for survival in the dark depths of the ocean, or the dense undergrowth of the forest. So why do creatures glow in the dark? Well, there are several reasons. First, let's talk about the dating scene. In the animal kingdom, bioluminescence is often used as a way to attract mates. For example, fireflies, those little sparks of light that dot the summer night, use their glow to signal potential partners. Each species has its unique flash pattern, like a secret code, that helps them find the right match in the crowded darkness. Then there's the dinner bell. Some bioluminescent creatures use their light to lure in unsuspecting prey. The anglerfish, a deep-sea dweller, has a glowing lure that hangs in front of its mouth. This light attracts smaller fish, which the anglerfish then gobbles up. It's like having a neon open sign in the middle of the abyss. But it's not all about food and romance. Bioluminescence can also act as a kind of burglar alarm. Some species, like the ostracod, emit a burst of light when threatened, startling predators and giving the tiny crustacean a chance to escape. And finally, let's not forget about communication. Just as we use lights to signal each other across distances, so do some bioluminescent creatures. Squids, for instance, use patterns of light and dark on their skin to talk to each other, conveying complex messages in a language of light. So, from the deep sea to the forest floor, bioluminescence serves a multitude of purposes. It's a beacon of attraction, a trap for food, a shield against danger, and a medium for conversation. Bioluminescence, then, is not just a spectacle but a survival strategy. From the darkest depths to the twilight zone, bioluminescent creatures put on quite a show. Let's dive in and meet some of them. First, we have the anglerfish, a creature that looks like it swam straight out of your darkest nightmares. It uses its glowing lure, powered by bioluminescent bacteria, to attract unsuspecting prey. In the deep dark depths of the ocean where sunlight doesn't reach, this eerie glow is a deadly beacon. Next we have the firefly, a more familiar face. These little insects light up summer nights with their enchanting glow. But this isn't just for our amusement. The males flash specific patterns to attract females. Each species has its own unique light pattern, like a secret language of love written in sparks of light. Then, there are the glowworms. Despite the name, these are not worms, but are actually larvae of a particular type of fly. They dangle sticky, silk threads from cave ceilings, glowing to attract prey. This creates an otherworldly spectacle, turning caves into starlit skies. These are just a few examples of the fascinating bioluminescent creatures that inhabit our world. Each has adapted this incredible ability in its own unique way, to hunt, to communicate, to survive. They illuminate not only the dark corners of our planet, but also our understanding of the intricate interplay of life and light. These creatures illuminate our understanding of life in the dark. The world of bioluminescent creatures is a testament to the wonders of nature. We've delved into the science behind this natural phenomenon, unraveling its purpose in the grand tapestry of life. From the depths of the ocean to the forest's heart, these living lights dazzle, communicate, and survive. A spectacular interplay of biology and chemistry, a hidden world illuminated. If you enjoyed this dive into the hidden world of bioluminescent creatures, give us a like and subscribe for more enlightening journeys into the mysteries of our world.